chloroplast itself, and some other proteins are which are present in chloroplast are encoded by the nuclear genes. That is, these proteins have been encoded by the nuclear gene. That the nuclear genes are transcribed to form mRNA, and the mRNA are translated. mRNAs are translated on the cytosolic ribosome, and the proteins are transported or exported inside the chloroplast. So there are two types of proteins present in chloroplast. Most of the proteins are encoded by the nuclear gene, and some of the proteins are encoded by the chloroplast genes. Am I correct? So now let us discuss the chloroplast genome. Now I am going to point wise to the features of the chloroplast DNA and chloroplast genome. Let us see it one by one. The first important character, the chloroplast gene. The first question arises that who was the first person who reported the chloroplast genome? It was Rees and Plaut. They were the two scientists named Rees and Plaut. Rees and Plaut for the first time in 1962. In 1962, reported chloroplast DNA from the Chlamydomonas rein-hardy. Chlamydomonas rein-hardy is a member of is a unicellular green alga. You have already studied Chlamydomonas volvox in your BSc and in MSc first semester. You have studied algae, and chloroplast is a unicellular green alga. So there are various species of the Chlamydomonas, and one of the species Chlamydomonas rein-hardy. So the chloroplast DNA was first reported by the Rees and Plaut in Chlamydomonas rein-hardy. Okay? And this chloroplast DNA, the chloroplast genome consists of double-stranded circular DNA, not linear DNA. The somatic cell has the linear DNA, but the chloroplast have circular DNA. Circular DNA consists and the DNA is double-stranded and circular. Okay? And the number of chloroplast DNA varies from is variable in the chloroplast. There may be 1, there may be 2, there may be maximum 10. There may be maximum 10. So this chloroplast DNA is double-stranded and circular. And the chloroplast DNA and the chloroplast genome is found in the stroma of the chloroplast. If it's found in the stroma, of the chloroplast, that you can say that matrix of the chloroplast. And this chloroplast DNA has three different regions. The first region is called SSC region, short single copy region, LSC, long single copy regions, and third one is the inverted repeat region. IR stands for inverted repeat region. SSC region stands for short single copy gene. LSC stands for long single copy genes. Okay, so there are three different regions present on the chloroplast DNA. These three different regions have different genes. The different genes for executing different functions. And the very important point about the chloroplast DNA is that the chloroplast and mitochondrial genome have resemblance, have similarity with the bacterial DNA. Okay? जितने भी ये chloroplast DNA and the mitochondrial DNAs have similarity or resemblance with the bacterial DNA. So now let us discuss the various regions present on the chloroplast DNA. The SSC region and LSC regions are separated from one another, remain separated from one another by the presence of inverted repeat region. The inverted repeat region acts as the boundary. Inverted repeat region acts as the boundary of the LSC region and SSC region. You can also say in this way that the presence of inverted repeat region on the chloroplast DNA separates the SSC region and LSC region from one another. This is the boundary line. Okay? But there are two inverted repeat regions, right? Inverted repeat regions and long right inverted repeat region and left inverted repeat region. So there are two inverted repeat regions present on the chloroplast DNA, and there is presence of only one SSC region and one LSC region. SS, as the name indicates, short single copy genes are shorter in size, and long SSC regions are longer in size. And the total number, you will like to know the number of the genes present on the chloroplast DNA. There are about 110 to 120 genes. 110 to 120 genes located on the chloroplast DNA. Okay? So now let us see the names of some important genes present in the inverted repeat region, name of some important genes present in the LSC region. And you should know that the LSC region and inverted repeat regions are very important in comparison to SSC region. The most important genes are present in the inverted repeat region and LSC region. Now look at the whiteboard. I am going to show you the different genes present in the IR regions and LSC regions. Now let us look at the whiteboard here.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Shilpa.
Yes, sir.
Pooja. And
Yes,
Radha.
sir.
This is the structure. This is the diagrammatic presentation. This is the diagrammatic presentation of the chloroplast DNA. Chloroplast DNA is circular in outline. This chloroplast DNA is circular in outline, and it consists of double-stranded structure. And the chloroplast DNA remains differentiated into three different regions. This is the SSC region, short single copy regions, which consist of about 18 to 20 kdp, 18 to 20 kilo base pairs. And this region is which has been shown here in the thing. This shows the inverted repeat region. This is the right inverted repeat region. This is the left inverted repeat region. The inverted repeat region. There is presence of two inverted repeat regions, right inverted repeat regions and left inverted repeat regions. And the IR region of each side consists of about 20 to 25 kbp, 22 to 25 kbp base kilo base pairs. And this is the lower part, and this part of the DNA is referred to as the LSC region, long single copy regions, which consist of about 20 to 27 kbp. This structure is the circular double-stranded DNA found in the chloroplast, which is known as the cpDNA or cp genome or cpDNA. Now look at let us see the important genes present in this IR region. This IR region has some important genes which encode the ribosomal RNA. And you know that in case of chloroplast, 4 types of ribosomal RNAs are present, which are noted here. 4 types of ribosomal RNAs includes 16S ribosomal RNA, 23S ribosomal RNA, 5S ribosomal RNA, and 4.5S ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA are the structure which make the ribosome, and the genes for encoding the ribosomal RNA, which are destined to form the ribosome present in the chloroplast, are of 4 types: 16S ribosomal RNA, 23S ribosomal RNA, 5S ribosomal RNA, and 4.5S ribosomal RNA. And the genes for encoding these ribosomal RNA are located in this inverted repeat region. The other important genes located in inverted repeat regions are the 30 to 40 genes, which encode the 30 to 40 different types of tRNAs present in the chloroplast. Beside this inverted repeat region also has the genes for encoding the RNA polymerase genes. RNA polymerase genes, there are 3 genes. 3 genes are responsible for encoding RNA polymerase, and 19 genes are responsible for encoding the ribosomal proteins. Now, this SSC region does not have some very important genes. Now, look at the genes present in the LSC region. LSC region has the genes for making the thylakoid membrane. This LSC region has the genes for encoding the thylakoid membrane protein. This LSC region also has the genes for encoding pigment system 1 and pigment system 2 genes. This LSC region has also genes for encoding cytochrome, ATPase, NADPH dehydrogenase, ferrodoxin. So these are the important genes located in the LSC region, and these are the important genes located in the IR regions. So these are the important genes which are located, which are present on the chloroplast DNA. Now, Silpa,
Yes, sir.
am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.